This video discusses the importance of protein for post-op healing and how it can speed up recovery after plastic surgery. After undergoing plastic surgery, your body needs the right nutrients to heal properly and speed up the recovery process. Protein is one of the most important nutrients for post-op healing, as it provides the building blocks for tissue repair and helps strengthen your immune system. In this in-depth article, we'll explore the importance of protein for post-op healing after plastic surgery and how it can speed up your recovery. Here are 5 ways protein is critical to post-op healing. 1. Tissue repair. Protein is necessary for tissue repair and helps your body rebuild the tissues that were damaged during surgery. 2. Wound healing. Adequate protein intake is essential for proper wound healing, as it helps promote the growth of new blood vessels and skin cells. 3. Immune function. Protein is also crucial for a healthy immune system, which is vital for fighting infections after surgery. 4. Reduced inflammation. Some studies suggest that a high-protein diet can help reduce inflammation, which can promote faster healing and reduce postoperative pain. 5. Overall healing. By providing the building blocks for tissue repair and immune function, protein can help your body heal more quickly and efficiently after plastic surgery. Dr. Robert Kratschmer, a board-certified plastic surgeon in Houston, emphasizes the importance of protein for post-op healing. He notes that patients should work with their surgeon or a registered dietitian to develop a nutrition plan that meets their unique needs and supports their recovery. By ensuring that you're getting enough protein in your diet, you can help your body heal more quickly and reduce the risk of complications. To learn more about plastic surgery or to schedule a consultation with Dr. Kratschmer, contact his office at 281-317-8179.